Hi there, Yara with Lifeproof Grooming here, and today we're gonna talk about how to maintain and get the most out of your bold instant beard color. So we're gonna touch base on different subjects. We're gonna talk about things that you should do and things that you should avoid. We're gonna then take this vial and tell you how much product is inside of it and how long should it last you, or how many beards should you cover with this. And lastly, we're gonna talk about what is the best value, or how do you spend the least money and get the most out of your bold instant beard color. Let's get started on this. Alright, so let's start by talking about what things you should avoid when using bold instant beard color. So the number one thing on my list is to avoid using anything on top of the beard color. So this would include lotions, creams, waxes, or beard balms. And this is because typically these products contain oils that might react with the beard color and cause it to come off sooner. The good news is that bold instant beard color contains argan oil and vitamin E, so we have a couple ingredients inside of it that are really beneficial for your hair. The next thing on my list is to avoid excessive rubbing, and this is pretty much a no-brainer because any color that you're gonna put on your skin or on your beard and you start rubbing it hard, it's gonna start coming off. Bold instant beard color is sweat and transfer proof, but if it's wet and you start rubbing it aggressively, it's gonna start coming off. So we just talked about rubbing, and one thing I didn't mention is how to dry your beard when you get off the shower. Well, it's pretty simple. You either use the towel and pat it to dry it. You don't wanna rub it because that might remove some of the color. Or you can just let it dry if you have a shorter beard. Or you can also use hair dryer. Now, if there are any areas that you know that are going to be exposed to more rubbing, or if you're sitting in an office like this and constantly rub on your beard, I would always have bold instant beard color with you to touch up these areas, or apply a little bit of heavier dose in those areas so you have more color protection in there. So now let's move to the next step and talk about the things that you actually should do when using bold instant beard color. So there are two very important steps that you should always do when using bold instant beard color. Number one is make sure that your beard is completely clean and dry before applying the color in your beard. And number two, make sure to shake the vial for at least 20 seconds. This will ensure that the solution inside is going to be equally dispersed, and it is going to affect the color and the longevity of bold instant beard color. So let's look about how much product is inside of this vial and how many applications should you expect to get out of it. When we fill these bottles, we put about 11 to 12 milliliters or grams of product inside of each bottle. Each application on a beard of my size takes about 0.4 milliliters. So this translates to about 25 applications per bottle. I usually get about a month and a half of bold before I have to replace it, and that is with applying bold every second day and doing some touch-ups in between. So next, let's look at some options that we offer to our customers when it's time to reorder your shade of bold instant beard color. Once you figure out which shade works the best for you, it is time to reorder. And we offer two options that will provide you with significant savings. The number one option I really like is to consider looking into ordering a bold instant beard color as a 2-pack, value pack. So this option comes with 2 shades of the same color, and it provides about 40% savings over buying that single unit complete set. The other option that I would highly suggest is to look into subscribing or getting automatic reorder for your bold instant beard color. This is a great option because not only does it provide you with savings on the 2-pack, but also it will ensure that you will never run out of your bold instant beard color. You can sign up anytime, there's no commitment, and you can set it up on the intervals that best fit your needs. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and don't forget to sign up to our YouTube channel to watch other exciting videos that we offer, such as how to apply bold instant beard color. And lastly, visit boldgrooming.com to check out our full product line and to sign up to our newsletter so we can send you special offers, coupons, and news on upcoming exciting products.